Hey guys, welcome to Growth Hackers 101, the podcast for PMU and SMP artists who want to multiply their income and achieve their true potential as entrepreneurs. We'll take a deep dive into the 10 fundamental business principles that every permanent makeup and SMP artist needs to adopt in their business right now. As you're probably aware, there's a huge support gap in our industry. Most trainers now provide great post-training support in terms of technique, but who's providing that support from a business perspective? Most of you are first-time entrepreneurs, first time running a business. There's so much to learn, and it's hard to know where to turn to get the kind of advice that you need to make those tough decisions and to navigate the world of business in general. Being a great artist just isn't enough. You've also got to be an expert executor, a great marketer, a great systems and processes person. That's a lot. We're going to teach you to take control of your business to produce predictable, consistent revenue month after month to give you the confidence to grow your business in the way that you really want to. So who am I? I'm Damien. I run Team Micro. Team Micro is the world's leading marketing agency for permanent makeup and SMP artists. We've been in this industry since 2009 and we're as passionate about the business as you are. We run a thriving online store. We host conferences, both face-to-face and online, and we build websites and execute world-class search engine optimization campaigns for artists around the world. And frankly, we're tired of seeing artists struggle. Your first guide will explain how to humanize your brand, how to take an online presence and turn it into something that can build meaningful connections with your prospective customers. What's that going to mean for you? That means you're going to attract more people to your website, more people to your social media channels, and crucially, more of them are going to convert into bookings. So if you're watching us on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell icon to ensure that you get notified as soon as our guides go live. And leave us a comment and let us know what you think. We would love to hear your views. If you're listening in on your favorite podcast channel, subscribe to the channel. That's all from me today. Have a great day and stay hungry.